to give us a lowered SRT street truck. Let's talk about it. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and we're going to be talking about what Ram is going to be putting out in the next couple of days and what information I've gotten from my guy TK's Garage. Me and TK go back a long ways. I'm talking 2020 COVID down in Ennis, Texas at Texas Motorplex. Shout out to my guy TK's Garage. If you don't know who that is, look him up YouTube, Instagram, TKS Garage. Solid guy. But we're going to be talking about the Ram short cab. Some of the internet has gone crazy over an AI generated photo of a Hellcat wheeled Ram shorts cab. First and foremost, that's insane because there are so many options. That is something Dodge has been missing for a long time. The Coyote blocked F-150 single cabs have kind of run the truck racing game, where the Chevy S10s, and Dodge really hasn't competed outside of the TRX, but the TRX is a whole lot bigger truck, not a single cab, and so forth. So again, we're talking about some pretty fast cars. If you ever heard of Midnight Performance, they come up with some 1,000+ horsepower F-150. So Dodge and Ram are gonna be competing, and I can't wait to bring you some of this news. So my idea, a little bit different than TK's. I think they're going to be bringing back something similar to the SRT10 truck. If you don't know what that is, it is the Viper truck. It is the single cab truck. They dropped a Viper motor, a 10-cylinder motor in. Put a picture right here. I think it's going to be something similar to that. As you can see from the thumbnail and this picture, this is what it's going to look like. They're similar in a few ways. They are a lowered single cab, or maybe a door-and-a-half truck, right? That is going to be super powerful. It's going to have Hellcat wheels. It will be lowered, and like I said, it will probably be a door and a half. If you kind of came from the old Ram 1500s, they used to have the half door where you opened up the door and opened it from the inside. That is what I think it's going to look like. Now, we're talking about competing with other single cab trucks. So what motor are they going to throw in it? Just like TK, I believe the 5.7 is going to be your best option, and of course 6.4 will be your best naturally aspirated option. I think just like TK, the 5.7 will start out about the 40 to 45,000 range, and the 6.4 will start out at about 55,000. That's a pretty decent price for a true, what I'm going to say is a street truck, right? You're going to buy this car not for work, not to haul stuff. You're going to drive this car to go fast, which leads me to a few thoughts. Simple. One, okay? If they don't do anything that we've got inside info on between TK's, my own research, and my own thoughts, will they go the RHO or the inline 6 route like the new Chargers? Are they just gonna put this new inline 6 motor, Hurricane motor, whatever you wanna call it, in this new street truck and hand it to us because it's gonna make sense for the line and make sense for cost? I don't know. I personally wouldn't want that. I don't think that would go well. I think just like the EVs, it would plummet their stock. The next thing I think about is, can they compete with the 5.7 or specifically the 392 BGE 6.4 block versus the Coyote block that you see? Can they add the boost? Can they get the turbos? Can they add the supercharger just like you can to this Coyote F-150 single cab block, right? Or single cab truck block. Horsepower versus horsepower, it's left to be seen. I know the 392 block doesn't really handle boost well over time, especially high boost. So competing, we're gonna have to see. Naturally aspirated 392 sounds good, gives you plenty of horsepower on the street, but that's also where I think the 5.7 is gonna be the best option to put in these street trucks. I also believe that there's gonna be some direct connection stages, just like the SRT Hellcat. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. I think there will be stages to these trucks and options where this $45,000, $55,000 number will go up based on modifications, Hellcat motor all of a sudden in it because they put a Hellcat motor in everything. But this is what's being brought to you guys. A single cab SRT Ram truck. That is huge news for the Mopar community. Let me know what you think. Shout out TK's Garage, and we are out.